Alright, you guys want to go check in? Head on over to the grid. You are welcome to. That means hit the track. No? We can start there. That'd be fun. I mean, I said, yeah.
Jamie Coffin, Jason Hausman, Dan Simon,
You know, it would be fun to start
Smith.
just in single file down a little
Jim
strip.
Whitehouse, Matthew Self-Damage, Brian Hughes,
So the starting grid for this one's going to be Brian Hughes in the number 1, Dan Simons in the number 2, Jamie the number 3, Jason the 4, Rick the 5, Jim Whitehouse the 6, and Matt in the 7. See, I am missing somebody. I am missing nobody. So that's cool. 5 was Rick. That looks right. 6 is Jim, the Fox Body. And then 7 will then be Matt. Lighting the way as he goes through the entire field.
I said that to him too.
I heard a where's Jamie, but his car's out there. Okay. Mild concern. Alright. I look good on marshals. I think I look good on drivers. They all sound like they're ready. Yeah, they are. Alright. This is an 8-minute A main. This is the only class I say it. 4-wheel short course. You win in the first corner. Less than 5. And it looks like we're going to be winning with Simons. Just got to hold it for another 8 minutes. Hughes was trying to go over the top of him through the rhythm. Not quite going to make it work. Going to pop a pipe, in fact, and lose a couple spots. Rick Smith up into the number 3. And who is that in the all pink? I want to say that's Jamie. They change bodies so much, it's hard to keep track. And I'm pretty confident with that. On. Now let's take a look. Fix the computer. First. Yep, that is Jamie out in front, all pink. Heading on to the backstretch. Simon's in the gray and black right behind him. Fourth. Simon's looking like that car can rip. It's got some top end on that thing. Hughes not too far back from them. He's in the all orange. He's only about 3.5 seconds back, so plenty of... He's got 6:50 to catch the top 2. He can do it. Especially as Jamie makes a mistake. Dan's the number 1. Jamie within Brian's striking range. Just a heads up, Matt. That is 1, 2, and 3, then. You already know what's up. I like saying that. 4. Then I got Jason in the number 4. He's got 10 seconds to catch up to Brian. Then it'll be Rick, Jim, and Matt. Jim gonna let the top 3 by. Nice. Good job working together, guys. 1, 2, and 3 coming across the line. Hughes now back in the battle. 1.5 separating your top 3. And Hughes 28.5 the hot lap. Only one to get in 28 so far. That should drop to the 27th throughout the race. Gotta see who's gonna do it first. Who's gonna get the pass. Jamie looking to the inside, can't quite find it. Unable to put the nose in. Simon's going to get it wrong through the rhythms. Jamie going to go around. He's only going to lose 1 spot, though. Hughes going to have to first still make the pass as he gets a little squirrely coming on the front doubles. And 28-0 from Jamie that last time to get the pass done. 2:30 down, 5:30 to go. Heads up, Rick. That's the leader. First, Jamie kissing the pipe on the downside of the front double. Able to keep it on all fours. Going to extend his lead to 6 seconds up on Dan Simons, who's only got a 10th up on Brian. 2 and 3 going down the backstretch, nose to tail. Simons going to get it wrong. Hughes into the 2. He's going to be able to keep the momentum going and build up a bit of a gap at the as soon as he makes the pass.
That was awesome.
Caution in the middle rhythms. First been cleared.
Second, third, 7th, 4th.
3:30 down, 4:30 left. I want to say a lot's happening, and a lot is, but in terms of the top 3, the order has not been changing much. Hughes still hanging on to the number 2, Simons in the number 3. You then got Jason, only 3 seconds back in the number 4. He's in the I want to say that's all white. Jamie coming to say hi to me.
Second.
Hi, Jamie. You just let Brian pass you.
Third, 4th.
Can't tell if that was on purpose. I know he likes to make it interesting.
6th,
You then got Rick and Jim battling it out for the 5 spot. Those 2. Scratch that, they're allowed to park.
first, second,
You can still battle it out and have fun on the track. Now, Jim, don't let Matt pass you, because you 2 are on the same lap. Matt, go get him. Jim likes to take it wide. Use that knowledge to your advantage.
5th,
Just over 3 minutes left.
second,
Things are starting to spice up at the front.
third,
Hughes and Jamie coming up on a little bit of lap traffic. Jamie's going to get by fine. Hughes going to find the inside of the pipe, but he's still going to rocket past the rest. Both of them going to get through the traffic. Now Simons just has to do the same. And there it is done. So Simons through traffic. Nothing but open track between him and Hughes.
first, second, third, 6th, 4th, 7th.
We caution at the end of the front, and it's been cleared. That was close, but all good. No talking about the top 3. And not too far back, 4.5 seconds. You will still find Jason Hausman in the all-white. But then Hughes going to get it wrong through the middle rhythms. Jamie back up to the front, and now I look at the top 3 yet again. Simons now back in the battle for the number 2.
Second, third,
Where's Simons going to stick a nose? Hughes has the outright pace. He has the hot lap by 100 over Jamie. Got by 9/10 over Simons. And I know Hughes can be consistent. I've seen him with comeback victories in the last 30 seconds, making the final pass.
second,
He's got the nerves of steel.
fourth, 6th, 5th,
I don't know, but he landed on all 4s, so it's good. Yeah, I called it out. Someone's losing a body.
third,
Now we got Hughes with some air brakes. Gonna help him out at the end of the straightaway.
4th,
Look at the stopping power on that thing. Into the switchback, it'll carry a lot more speed into the corner. That's one way to pass him. There we go, Dan. 45 seconds left.
second,
Complete running order is going to be Jamie, Brian, Simons within 4.5 seconds. 7.5 back, you'll find Jason. 4. Then you got Rick, Matt, and Jim rounding out the rest of the field. 20 seconds left. Your top three will get around for one more. I think everybody will get around for one more. Brian all over the back of Jamie. It's going to be their final lap to battle. Brian's going to do it on this lap. Going to be touching the back of Jamie. Going to roll it upside down. Simon's now to the number 2. Maybe getting a little too aggressive. Yeah, Jamie putting on the wall on Dan. You guys are racing to the line. Matt, you got caught at the line. Everybody else, you are racing to it. Jamie driving slow, but holding the wall. Giving Hughes the opportunity into the number 2 through the rhythms. Hughes again taking it too tight. Going to roll it over. Simon's going to take the benefit up from it. Across the line they will go. Jamie going to hang on to the lead. It should be Simon's 2.
Third, Jason Hausman.